Hello y'all, welcome back to another video. We're out here in central Minnesota doing an evening deer hunt out here. Hunting the same spot I've hunted for the past few days. I've seen a few does not come in range or anything, so hopefully we can tag one today. It's really cloudy and it's drizzling right now, so I'm gonna try sneaking in with the drizzle and see what happens. It is currently 3:35 and it is 44 degrees outside, so hopefully they're on the move today, and hopefully I can take a buck or a doe or something. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you out in the woods. Hello y'all, welcome back. Just got my deer. Thanks to the help of them. Call Dad. Hello? I found him. Actually, the neighbors found him. To the north. Yeah. No. No. I mean to the east. They're out scouting. And then they said, oh, there's a dead deer over here. It's got a big body on it, so I don't know if its tines just weren't that... Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty big, fat-wise. So hopefully some good meat in the freezer. You want to grab a knife too? And hello y'all, welcome back. Those Beast broadheads did it dirty, so Beast, shout out to you guys. Hopefully you guys can get me on some more, but got a nice little spike out here in central Minnesota. Oh, weird part is, like, there wasn't much of a blood trail, even though I nailed it dead center. So I don't know, if you look down, there's a blood spot here. Nothing too big or much, so kind of weird. But shout out to Beast broadheads, thanks for all the help, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Saw a few does and then saw the buck, and then yeah, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.